What's up, folks? How is going? I'm going very well today. I thought to make this video because I want to tell you something about English. Um, I'm Lucas. I'm from Brazil. I speak English. Yeah, I'm bilingual. I left my country to come here in UK because I wanted to improve my English. Yeah. Today I'm here in UK. I'm living here for 1 year here in UK. I'm making volunteer work here, and I improved my English here, so it is very nice for us. Yeah, today I decided to make this video because before to understand English, I listened English very different that I speak today. Yeah, it's very nice. English is like a rounded. Yeah, English is very good. It's funny too. Yeah, I will show you like before I listen English. Yeah. I just studied English for 2 years and 2 months in my country. I started to study English in 2019. In March 2019, I started English with my teacher in Brazil. My teacher lived in Detroit in US, and yeah, I have American accent. Yeah, that's okay. In the beginning here, it was very hard for me because uh, here it spoke British accent, but that's okay. Now I can understand both accent. That's okay. Guys, yeah, I will show you like before to understand English. I listened English like that.
I can taste understand this, but doesn't matter at all.
This is so.
Exactly like that. I listened English before to understand English. It's very funny, and I'm listening now. It's very funny because I'm speaking English. I'm speaking this language. So yeah, for us Brazil, it's not so hard to understand and to learn English because English it's easy for us. That's okay. Yeah. I understand that my language because I'm a native speaker from Portuguese. Portuguese, I know that it sometimes it can be very hard for the Americans, example, because my language it's almost Latin. My language has 80% from words from Latin, so I know it's very hard. Yeah, I know, but that's okay. Yeah, I appreciate many Americans that speak in Portuguese very well, like Tim Maia, Tim Explica, um, um Gavin Roy. So they speak in Portuguese very well, fluent Portuguese. They have a little bit accent in Portuguese, but that's okay. I can understand very well. Yeah, yeah, guys. This today I made this video because I have seen many videos in YouTube that like Portuguese is listened the other people in America before to understand Portuguese as well. So I decided to make this video because I wanna um, show you like before to understand English. I listen English like this sound. Yeah. I live in São Paulo in Brazil. I'm from São Paulo state. I live at countryside, São Paulo state. So I have different accent in Portuguese too, like Rio de Janeiro, northwestern Brazil. Brazil has many different accents too. So yeah, Brazil it's mixed. My accent in Portuguese is very different too, like from Portugal. Portugal has your accent, and Brazil has your own accent. So today I decided to make this video because I wanna show you like English and Portuguese the between the differences, but that's okay. Yeah. Um, I will be here in UK. I hope that I will in the future I will try to get my fluent English. I'm not perfect because I have done many mistakes about English, but that's okay because I'm not native speaking English. So yeah. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, guys, it was the video today because I will try to make something about this channel, and I hope you understood me and subscribe this channel and liked my channel, because I will try to bring something that this channel, I will try to grow up this channel. Okay, that's okay. See you next video.